Hello everyone, welcome back to TechPorn, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Discord two-factor authentication login problems. First of all, you will need to make sure you are entering the latest code generated by your Authenticator app. You will also need to check that your phone's date and time are set automatically. If you have saved your Discord backup codes, use one of those codes to log in. But if you have lost access to your Authenticator app and backup codes, you will need to contact Discord support for account recovery options. You will always need to keep backup codes stored safely in case you lose access to your authentication device. And that's it. That's how to fix Discord two-factor authentication login issues. And if this video helped, follow us for more tips and tutorials.